Hey you, and welcome to this video. Today I will help you out by showing you the two ways to get Nether Wart in Minecraft. Nether Wart is essential for brewing potions, and initially it only spawns in Nether. So this is a bastion. This is the housing units version, which is the only other way to get Nether Wart that doesn't include a fortress. Let's take care of this guy real quick and this guy because he's bothering me. Just like that. This is one of the ways you can find the Nether Wart. You can farm it here, and now I have 4. So basically all you have to do is you need soul sand and Nether Wart, and then you can farm it. You can farm it either in the Nether or the overworld, it doesn't really matter too much. Now let's make our way over to a fortress, so let's just fly there. For that I'm gonna of course need the rockets, which are right here. And there should be one just around the corner. I typed in the coordinates, just a second. Let's see. That is right over there. It's that way. I know I am technically cheating by doing this, but this is the server I use to show off everything on YouTube. So it's okay. Now we should see the fortress already. And yes, we do in fact. Ooh, there's a wither skeleton. So then you want to find the room with the staircase, which I believe is that one right over there. Let's quickly make sure we don't get hit by that thing. Thank you. Yeah, this is the room you want to find, the room with the staircase. So on this side is all the blaze spawners, and on the other side is all the chests. And as you can see, here's the other source of Nether Wart, which we can also collect just like that. I've got a whole Nether Wart farm in my farming section back home. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.